Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the new shooting range targets you can get from the Amazon Prime offer. You can subscribe to Amazon Prime, cancel your subscription immediately, and link your accounts to Bethesda or whatever, and you can get this bundle, including these items that are kind of interesting. See, if you shoot them, they disappear, and you can repair them for free. It says free. Oh, let's skip the last one there. Now, if I were to shoot them and then use my cam module, however, for whatever reason, it will now cost me 3 plastic, 1 each. Enough about that. Now, a friend of mine, R Gaming, I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description, discovered that you could put objects on them, which makes them a lot more interesting, because if you shoot objects, they despawn. Now, you can do this from a mile away. Way outside of your cam limit. You don't need to be near your cam module. You would just have to hit them. See? Now, the only people who can shoot these out and destroy them are you and any of your team members. And right now they're kind of bugged, so if a team member shoots them out, they tend to get a bounty. Not every time, but quite often. But with this, you can make people fall down. So, if I were to build a foundation underneath this, when it's despawned here, let's get the foundation out. Floors, like so. Let's get some walls. Let's get a door. Let's build a couple more walls. And some roofs. And let's repair it. Let's use the free option this time, huh? There we go. Now I built my camp, but there was a natural incline, so you could walk straight in. But if you don't have that, you could do something like this. Some stairs. I'm not gonna get it perfectly centered or aligned, but this is the general idea. So you have your vendor in here. Let's go and build one, just showing it. Alright, apparently I didn't raise the foundation enough, so I can't actually get in there, so let's get rid of the door. Vendor. Let's just put one down there. So the player would walk up there. You could be sitting like well over there with a scope. Obviously this foundation is blocking the view, so some other ingenious way of getting a player up there would be required. You could shoot that, they would drop down into your punchy boards. And I actually have a camp on my channel that I featured recently that has this concept. So you shoot out a target, the player drops down, and they die. So yeah, I hope this can benefit you in some way, and you can use it in your builds. There's a few. Let's find here. There's one. The Nuka-Cola truck worked, I believe. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, you can get the Nuka-Cola truck on it. But I tried most of the other prefabs. I think I have all of them, to be honest with you. And they didn't seem to snap onto it. But the containers and the Nuka-Cola truck really does. So yeah, you can put anything on it. You can even put them on each other. If you need to raise your container or whatever you choose to use. And it doesn't matter which one of them you break, just you can break the top one. Or you can break the bottom one. So yeah. Anyway, I hope it helps. Goodbye.